Why is the GTR slammed? We just made it to this auto body shop. Met up with the homie Josh, Nico, with the Lambo out here, GTR. Today's mission is to get this car washed. I don't know where we're gonna get it washed, but it needs a car wash, inside and out. This looks disgusting, bro. Bro, it's horrible. Anyways, what's up, guys? They watching another video. We just made it out here to LA. Like I said, we met up with the homies right now. I don't know what we're gonna get into today, but we'll see what we end up doing. I don't know.
Food.
We need food though first.
Hungry.
For sure.
Why is your car so dirty?
I don't know.
Tell David to do his job.
I know. David hasn't washed my car in a long time.
David don't want to get paid.
Josh in the Lambo. We got Nico as passenger princess. We're about to go grab some food right now. I don't know what we're getting into today, but we're in LA, so I'm sure we'll find something to do. I was gonna get a haircut, but I haven't got a haircut. I'm looking bummy. I usually get a haircut every single Friday, and I missed this Friday, guys. And now I might have to just wait another week. Josh's loud ass Lambo. It's crazy how much attention Josh's Lambo gets. Like, everybody looks at his car. Driving a Lambo alone gets a lot of attention, but with this wrap on it, with all these crazy colors, everybody looks. This is when you know we're in Hollywood, guys. Just two Rolls Royce casually driving. Big baller. And the other one's just following it. Alright, I'm not sure if you guys have seen this, but this is David Dobrik's pizza spot. But I have Josh's first time. I've had this place one time, and it's pretty good. Damn, that shit looks bomb, dude. I don't know which one I want though. There's so many. But yeah, it's David Dobrik, so you can see his little face right there.
Look at that. This lucky do look good.
It's bomb, bro.
Damn. This is my first time trying Dobrik. One day, Saint Squad, we
got 3. All right, guys, we just got food. Now Josh's homie pulled up in the 720. We're always around supercars, isn't that crazy?
Supercar right there.
Look, Aston Martin?
No, it was a Ferrari.
You guys haven't seen this thing in a long time. Crazy exhaust setup. Crazy wrap. What do you guys think about Josh's wrap? Should we do something crazy like this? I kind of want to do like a cool livery or something. It's just hard coming up with an idea. Like, I don't know how he came up with this idea. Definitely one of one. You've never seen this before. And it gets so much attention, all the bright colors.
Wait till you see the new rims, Nick.
What color are they gonna be?
White.
You have to stay tuned?
White with the little JSL sig.
Damn, that's gonna be fire. This thing is sick. 720? Damn, look at the seats. All Alcantara. Literally everything in the car is Alcantara. That would be cool, but honestly, probably hot right now. You think it's hot sitting in those seats right now?
Yeah. You know why it's dirty? It's placed up in Malibu in the mountain.
Oh shoot.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
My boy was off-roading the 720.
Facts.
Look at that. That's crazy. Alright guys, we're parting ways with Josh. They're going down to Orange County, but I'm probably gonna stay in LA, kick it with the LA homies out here. Probably gonna go meet up with the homie Arion. I think his homie got a motorcycle, SR1000, I think that's what it's called? S1000? The BMW bikes, they're super freaking fast, and he wants to race the GTR, so maybe we'll do that. Race a motorcycle today. Get gapped by a motorcycle today. How crazy is that? Like, imagine the person who lives right there. It's hard to see the house, but look at that house. That is crazy, bro. One day, we'll all be in the hills up there with the Urises. The stuff that you see in LA. Like, look at this. Only in LA, guys. This is like the most touristy spot you can go, honestly, in Hollywood. Like where all the stars are. I don't know, for those of you guys that are not from LA, this is probably super interesting to you, but to us in LA, it's not that nice, to be honest. Alright, I don't know how we keep teleporting to 412, but we're back again. We got Arion's GTR, we got my GTR, we got a bunch of sick cars here. As always, we got a Tesla that they just wrapped, I think. Like a matte military green, that's pretty sick. TRX, another Urus, Sam's E30. We're about to race these bikes, guys. Against the GTR. Who's gonna win? I don't know. But yeah, that's Arion's homie. He's actually the one, if you guys remember, he had that Lamborghini Gallardo that he let me do donuts in. That's him, the crazy ass driver. Oh my god. And as you can tell, he drives crazy on a motorcycle too. Bro, I want a motorcycle, guys. Should we get one for the channel? Do some motor vlogs? That's just sick. I don't know what kind of bike that one is. I don't know my motorcycles, guys. I gotta learn. Like that shit just popping wheelie. You can't hear my horn, huh? Huh? You're not gonna be able to hear my horn, huh?
No, were you honking?
Yeah, it's too loud, huh?
Hey, just punch it and I'll chase you.
Okay. And then maybe we'll race Arion too. What happened? I don't know what happened to the bike, guys, but the 1000 is down.
Battery, bro.
The battery died? What the?
Wow. Forgot a charger last night.
20 minutes passed by. I've been just sitting here waiting for them, but they went to the gas station to buy a jump box just to jump start the bike because the bike battery died. Caught up, that's crazy. You reeled me in, bro. So similar, guys. We're tuned by the same person, same shop. Oh my god. And same exact mods. I think the only thing he has is blow up valves. That's different. Alright guys, now we're getting the GTR all washed. We've been just teleporting all over. This vlog's like all over the place, but GTR's getting all washed right now. Shout out to these homies getting the car all detailed. This thing definitely needed a detail, bro. I don't remember the last time this car's been like detailed. I still have to take off all this extra wrap still, bro. I need to take it to a shop so they can do it, but check this thing out. This is the homie Tony's car. Funny story, Tony used to have the ZR1 that Joseph actually owns now. So that white ZR1 you guys saw in my last vlog, it was actually this guy's. And then he sold the ZR1 to Joseph, and then he picked this thing up, and this thing is sick. Probably one of the sickest spec G80 I've ever seen. Like satin, well not satin, it's actually frozen white paint, guys. He ordered it from the dealer like that. Ordered it from BMW. You got the little laser lights, comp wheels, I believe, right? And look at the interior, it's open. This interior is insane, bro. It's white on white, carbon roof with the bucket seats. So sick, and it's stick shift, bro. 3 pedals, brand new still. I think it has like 1,000 miles, he said. And this one actually comes with the big screen. I don't know if you guys have ever seen this, but I think the 2023 models have the big old screen. Look at that. Bro, it's insane. It's literally like a 50-inch TV screen. Wow, this car is so sick, especially that it's stick shift too. I love the dash. This interior literally makes my GTR interior look so cheap. My favorite part, you can see all the carbon on the bucket seats. So sick. You need the bucket seats. If you get a G80, you have to get these seats. If I ever get a G80, I'm for sure gonna find one with these seats. Look at Sam's car. I don't know what happened to the lip, but it's back from Texas. He shipped it out there for Texas 2K. Oh my god, bro. And turbos. This thing's fast, bro. Little sleeper. You ready? Damn, look who pulled up, bro.
That's the one that
came ready.
Yeah, I sold it.
Sammy 720, you guys remember this one? From the last vlog. One of the last vlogs. He bought the Huracan too. Try to open it. Let's see if she can find out how. Is she for the streets? No way. Why are you breaking into his car? Try to open it.
No, you trying to set me up.
God damn it, she sounds good. I want a Huracan, guys. Damn, she sounds good, bro. Sheesh. All black, too. Sounds sick. 720 Sammy, are you gonna change your name?
No, I'm gonna be Lambo Sammy. It's after yours.
Lambo Sammy forever?
Whatever. I need to make a YouTube channel for sure.
I don't know why Sammy has to start a YouTube channel. Alright guys, I think we might drive it. But I've never even been in one of these.
I haven't even been in a passenger chair.
I've never even been in a passenger seat in a McLaren, guys. Oh my god, bro. This shit is sick.
Yeah, that's a full sound system. I got the luxury one because it has a sound
Damn,
system.
shit has carbon fiber in the car?
Sure.
Look at this, guys, watch. What the heck, bro? That shit is sick. Oh my god, bro! Shit spins. It's so smooth though.
Yeah, that's why.
It's like a little spaceship, bro. Yeah, it kind of is better than the Aventador, huh?
Yeah.
The Aventador sounds good. He came from Aventador to this, guys, but I don't know. It's hard choice. Oh my god! That's crazy. It's quiet.
Yeah, I know. It won't be quiet for that long. This is fast as shit.
It got me my YouTube on it. Stop. That's so sad. I need a new car, Sammy.
Bro, time to get R8.
Does it go fast in the back?
Hell yeah. Put you in your seat.
Damn, Sammy let me whip the 720, guys.
Yeah, man.
I can't believe I got to drive the 720, guys. Thank you, Mr. Sammy.
No problem.
My first time ever.
You know that you need one.
I know.
Start with a 570.
Bro, this is the first time I've ever been in a McLaren, guys, and I literally got to drive it. It's just crazy. It looks good, dude. Even stock. You got the doors that go all the way up, too. Like the window on the roof. Well, that was sick. I wasn't expecting to drive a 720 today. But look, the GTR is all done, guys. It's all clean. Shout out to the guys that washed my car. This shit looks spotless now, dude. This car definitely needed a car wash, and it looks so much better. Look at that. It's literally like a mirror. The paint's so nice still, guys. I haven't washed my car in so long. Like a good detail like this in so long, dude. But wow, bro, the black looks so much better. Sheesh.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.